Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You must begin with the microphone ready. Plug in or select your built-in mic, then test sound in settings so Word hears you clearly. Open the document and set the cursor exactly where text should appear. Once done, go to the Home tab and tap Dictate, or activate Windows Speech Recognition if you prefer system-level control. Make sure you are signed into the same Microsoft account that enables online speech services, because online recognition improves accuracy and supports punctuation commands. Now you will manage the middle of the process, dictating and editing. Speak in short phrases and include punctuation words like period, comma, question mark. Use new line or new paragraph to structure text. For formatting, say capitalize, all caps, or select and bold after a short pause. If you need numbers or symbols, say digits and symbol names. For example, say 123 or $sign. Pause occasionally so Word can process, then glance back to correct misheard words. Finish by tapping Stop Dictation and then proofread the text while reading aloud. You will catch context errors faster. Make corrections manually or with find and replace for repeated mistakes. To improve future accuracy, correct Word consistently so personalized models adapt, and verify language and microphone settings. If recognition fails, restart Word or your computer, update Office, or switch to a better microphone. As a final tip, check that background noise is low.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.